Introducing the ultra-slim 12.8V 100Ah Lithium battery. Designed for off-grid adventures with smart power management, we divide our presentation into 4 sections. Part 1: Introduction to the ultra-slim 12.8 volts 100Ah lithium battery. Ultra-slim at 60mm, this battery fits tight spaces. It's lightweight at 10 kilograms, with versatile mounting options, advanced LiFePO4 Technology, ENSUR 4000 cycles and 108 continuous output. Designed to handle off-road conditions, making it the ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Part 2: Applications of the ultra-slim 12.8V 100Ah lithium battery. Perfect for overlanding, compact campers, and marine use. It powers fridges, gear, and marine electronics. Also ideal for off-grid cabins, emergency backup, and portable power stations. Part 3: Advantages. Choosing the ultra-slim 12.8 volts 100Ah lithium battery. Consistent power output, user-friendly features like SOS display and USB ports. Durable in tough conditions with wide temperature range. Low maintenance, eco-friendly, and versatile for various applications. Part 4: Advantages of choosing the ultra-slim 12.8 volts 100Ah lithium battery. Summarizing, this battery offers reliable power, smart features, and sustainability. Upgrade for efficient, long-lasting power. Join the sustainable energy movement today.